GNS Plaza kyekizimbe kati okutambulira zi business kiri ku Old Kampala mu maaso g'omuzikiti gwa Gaddafi kuliko amaduuka ne supermarket omuli kalonda yenna gwe weetaaga gattako space wosobola okuteeka ofiisi ekika kyonna tulinako hoteri amatiribona eya GNS Hotel era nga buli asulayo spa steam bath sauna ne massage kwosa aerobics byonna afuna bya bwerere tulina conference hall omuli screens zigaggadde ne projector kale mu abalina meeting z'embaga n'emikolo egy'enjawulo mwamuludde ekifo kigazi bulungi ate nga n'ebyentambula byangu ddala anti tuli ku kkubo tulina parking ngazi mu basement ne lift ekwanguyiza obulamu n'owano okusumbukana n'amadaala ku GNS Plaza kuliko ne ofiisi za URA gwe wenna yagala okusasula omusolo luba lutemya lwa liiso essimu wandiika noti 772 976 628 oba noti 7 noti 6 7 noti emu noti.
So guys, welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. It's of course the usual morning KFM. Nine Gabriel Bule wano. Abadda ina byetu wayawayamu. Of course tuleta kwogera ku bintu bingi naye ensonga ya Kabaka kati tuba tusookerako eve mu ddiiro waliwo abana Uganda bali Germany batugambye Germany waliyo bannaffe bali Germany kati bo baavaayo ne bagenda paka ku embassy ya Namibia nga basaba Kabaka sibe kiri.
No. We have already done it. So, as Ugandans, as Bagandas in the UK, we are standing at the Namibian High Commission in London, handing over this document to the representative of the Namibian government, demanding the release of Kabaka Uganda, Ronald Mwenda Mutebi, and we want to thank the officers from the High Commission who have received us in a very kind way.
Signified way as well.
In a very dignified way. We appreciate and thank you very much on behalf of the Ugandan community in Uganda and in the UK. We thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you for receiving.
Thank you. I need a photo as well with the
don't know why
bafananye ng'abasezi ng'abantu abali abatoletoole kituufu okwagala Kabaka kituufu naye mukumwagala tetumulumizaamu ne family tetugirumizaamu
and that is what happened.
Omuganda okwambala ekkanzu enteera okimanyi okutali kooti oba okungubaga obanga musamize oba bawafiiridwa okuteekawo attention etakola ki etaliyo. At the end of the day bye baakozemu byayongedde kuvaamu bizibu
because then after these people went let's first have the video of them at the embassy. Now, after those guys left, they went there. The embassy of Namibia was forced to write back to them. Newandike ekiwandiiko ne detailing Kabaka gyali ebimuluma family yetatugamba bulijjo nga bo they have a reason why kibasirise. Now, of course, I'm going to do a full interview with Gabriel Bole on that matter. However,
ekikulu obugunjufu banange abantu abagenda e Bulaaya tuba tutulowooza nti munaye bo batusinzeeko kubanga eri obugunjufu bungiko togenda kugenda ogamba nti gundi ejjuta erimuluma Kasuku bw'ati abantu bane privacy.
So, but the details were so bad. Nalabye omwami Idris Chigondo ya postinze I don't know
wanabye abana bamusikininga live
abana nga bamusikininga live naye gatafaayo
omuganda wakusoberera
kati
abadde babuuza ate omusajja ayogedde batandika oli musajja muganda okoze byakyeru
because Namibian embassy ya detailinze ekiruma Kabaka nakikyaliko era oli bwe yapiikinze n'ateeka ku Twitter handle naye tannakijjayo ye yagambye ali ku mawulire journalism
naye ate n'amawulire nabadde mugamba nti amawulire tegalina kubeerawo kulumya. Journalism should never cause harm. Singa Kasuku ngwa mukabenyi amawulire ganteekayo nga ndi mu musaala kituufu kye gaba gakoze mba nfudde naye ate mu mawulire tuba tulina okulowooza abaana bange ne mukyala wange n'abo abanjagala banaawulira batya nga balabye ku bino ebifaananyi kati abantu abagala Ssaabasajja bwe basoma ebintu ng'ebiringa ebyo
oluza tuwulira tutya famire ye oluza so kyembadde
naye anti kati nze kyenadde njagala okunnyonnyola abantu nti kati ekyo kigenda tuwa ekyokuyiga abantu tubeera nnyo ku intaneti ne tukyamuka Katikkiro yatugamba Kabaka yagenda ku check up ne tugamba sima
era muleka abasawo be
bamujjanjabe ne tutandika yawamba Kabaka sima baagala mutta baagala kukola kino ne tugenda mu maaso sigenda ganti
omwana yakanula amaaso ku TikTok n'agamba njagala okubategeeza twamulabye ng'akomawo awo SFC yamukwaddawo kisawa kyenteba mukavujaawo era natugamba ali mugemu paaka
kati olunaku olwaleero Embassy yawandiise nti bamwina ne bateekamu ne details ekimuluma ne facility gyalimu
ne security yanti eryoke
abantu ne batandika mwaki mu repostinga confidentiality y'omulwadde ate Katikkiro kye yakola n'abagambako actually si n'abagambako n'atugambako kye twali twetaaga okumanya kuba bengamba nti nange neetwaliddemu Katikkiro ne tumuteeka ku musaalaba kati olunaku olwaleero mwagenda abantu yogga bogambye ab'e Germany ne bamusaba ne bagenda ku Embassy ffe twagala Kabaka waffe biki babagambye ebimuluma n'embeera gy'alimu mugamba wakyali eyo okitegeera kati now the question is who is the idiot who is fooling who okitegeera the Kabaka and the Katikkiro and the Kabaka's family knew what was with him. They held it to themselves.
Dr. Kiza Besigye Kifefe yagamba tukwangaja mu nsi omuli abasiru bangi ate ng'ekyennaku tulina okuwangaala
so Bule ngenda kuba mwegattako ekiro later on agenda kubanga atwegattako kwongera okudissectinga ensonga za Kabaka
bakanda baffe bali mu diaspora Canada, UK, US wonna gye muli mubeereeko program mujenjoying vuma ayiga Kasuku live tutwasalawo kukolera mmwe bantu tukolera abasiru abagezi abalamuzi n'abatalamula
okay so that is kadde mwawo nga bakulaba
Ssaabasajja Kabaka wangaali
so yeye mbeera eri awo ebintu byatusobedde nze siba njogera wano ne banga Kasuku oyasama ne mbanyonnyola nti being a Ugandan is a full-time job Katikkiro tumutadde ku musaalaba feeling tuzimutaddeko zonna atugambye nti bannaye Kabaka yagenda ku check up tayagala tubuulira bisukkawo ate bannaye bali be bawandiise ebbaluwa alimu eno facility yabeera bwati ne bwati ate bagamba waki mwogedde ebintu bikwata Kabaka kati ekituufu kye twagala kyeki because yes tuli batuufu tetulina kudisclosinga bulwadde bwoli nebisigadde naye ate mwe musaba ate babibawadde ate tunyiize anyway but Ssaabasajja Kabaka wangaale tumusabira atereere akomewo ate tukube pate fenna Abaganda tusanyuke kintu kibeere aire now of course olunaku olwaleero tugenda kwogera ku Canary Mugume bwino namufunye tova nina bwino embeera sinungi that information I have tugenda kwogera ku Levikson ne Desire Luzinda Norbert Mau yayanjudde and of course kano kakemanso so yisaawo Pastor Alozias Mujingo abantu bajja kubuuza Kasuku nga pastor omutusuula nnyo mu maaso muntu wange ate abaagala omulaba n'okumanya ebimukwatako be bangi so nze nkolera abantu yavuddeyo musumba wawulidde akaliro ka maniyu wakawulidde ne kakubuguma gamubugumye yahulidde akaliro omanyi waaseno kati yagenda najja n'ayegera asima abaseno tobasabira asima biki yatandise kolima Pastor Mujingo yazze mu kolima Simaya omuntu tolina mukyakubiri oyogera ku gundi biki n'amaliza nga yeetondedde abaseno nti ndabagamba loli Katonda essaala eyo yagigaana naga nti waliwo ebizibu ebirala bye muyinaawo kambataase ku ebyo yes so embeera bwe yabadde twagenza olaba omusajja agamba ate no njagala mukulekera wano nga nnyonnyola yeekwata ku bisubi era nga muwagizi wa Seno yenna of course us of Manu twawangudde FA Cup amacupa ne gabikuka chupa nga bikuka betulya betunywa lyabadde essanyu jjereere kyatabuse dda Brandon mwa anidiot zakubikuka sigenda kubikuka Brandon mbwa idiot
Arsenal fans.
Oli wa Arsenal. Ogenda gyowagira wano ng'otuleekaanira. So, echupa ya Man
United. Brandon va oli wa Arsenal. Pop it. Man United. Take one.
Checho! Ojiravye gwe! Naye omwana akubye eggoolo. Owa sound agyongeze. Yongeza sound.
This time for Man United.
Badblack mutulekera omukolo gwakatandika. Abaseno ate babadde banyiigira ki? Kati aba Arsenal ekyokubiri mwafuna kikopo kipozi which trophy. So ye mbeera eri awo, ladies and gentlemen, ngenda balekera Pastor Bujingo n'abawagizi ba Arsenal banne nga beekwata ku bisubi bebabizzeeno. Then of course ngende wali tutandika okwogera oluzungu English at large. Waliwo abangamba era Kasuku simala toyogera luzungu simala guys bakuwa omulimu kale gw'obikole babikuwe gye muli mwogera oluzungu babikuwe obikole olabe bikigenda okubeera. But anyway, I think that's it. Kambalekere video eno eya Pastor Bujingo. Then when we return, we're gonna be live and direct on KFM. Ngatwogera oluzungu. Don't move an inch. Tova awo. Yaman.
Kyewuunyisa nti mu Uganda tiimu eyakoze bubi agirimu ye asobola okuvuma nga guwabadde wakubiri ng'ekikopo wabuze kati okitwale n'akuvuma nga ye wa 15 bo wa 8 ali yeyo waggulu n'akuvuma wane Uganda loza nti gwokola obuyo okusinga asemba asobola okuvuma nakani kale bane mwe muliroosi yennyini era twategera temusobola kitwala bane mbakitwala twandifunde naye ng'ayogera tiimu ye yesemba gwe n'akulumya omutima ng'oli wakubiri. Wanji basobola okulumya omutima n'onoonya n'omugu wange oli wakubiri. Waliwo Arsenal yeetuze nga ebadde yakubiri naye nga abamuleetedde okwetuga mubamanyi. Sina be ngenda kwogerako naye nga abaleetedde Arsenal okwetuga mubamanyi. Era nga n'ebifo byabwe bibi naye nga omusajja tuyeetuze nga babadde bakubiri. Bakugamba ekisooka kyakulemya ekitya ebyabwe tebabiriiko. Owulidde sina benjogeddeko naye ng'abantu baleetedde bannaabwe okwetuga babayimbirira paka kuwulira bubi naye nga ttiimu zaabwe ze zisinga okukola obubi. Simanyi obaddala kino kooki wa Arsenal yakyogedde ne bw'aba yakyogedde oba si yakyogedde nakisomye ku posti ye kyabadde ekyamagezi. Kigamba bwe kiti ti abantu bennyini abatakusubira wadde okubeera w'omunaana nga tebakusubira kubeera wa musanvu tebakusubira kubeera wa kuna tebakusubira kubeera wa kusatu bebaga nti wakoze bubi nnyo okubeera ow'okubiri bennyini. Tuddayo mu lunyiriri waffe okweraliikirirako okusindikiriza engeri Katonda kubanga yateeka ku mwoyo. Wanji Peetero ekisooka essula 5 olw'omukaaga n'olw'omusanvu. Kale mwewombeekenga wansi w'omukono gwa Katonda ogw'amaanyi alyoke abagulumiza obudde nga butuuse nga mumusindiikirizanga ye okweraliikirira kwammwe kwonna kubanga ye ateeka ku mwoyo ebigambo byammwe. Mwewombeekenga. Ekigaanyo olwaleero ng'okyalina obulamu kyakugwa enkya. Zikubire Mukama mu linnya lya Mukama Yesu. Ekigaanyo olwaleero ng'okyalina obulamu kyakugwa enkya. Abaaseno mbazzaamu amaanyi. Eno si y'enkomerero, ensi ekyagenda mu maaso. Mukomeewo omwaka ogujja. Simanyi baba mazeemu amaanyi. Waliwo eyaŋŋambye ndi musumba Bujingo, abaaseno tebali kusonyiwa, wasaba essaala ku ssaawa esembayo. Essaala yange yayitamu Aseno yagoba. Ate mwali temwambulira twasabira ku ssaawa esemba kati ekikopo ekyabayita mu ngalo. We mwamalira si wabi. Ate gwe nnyini omupiira gwe mwasembeyo mwagugoba. Mwaguwangula nze essaala zange zaawulibwa ne munsonyiwe. Kubanga emembo abaaseno tebali kusonyiwa. Osaba otya essaala ku ssaawa esemba era gwe bakubiza. Obanero bwe nasabidde busatu mwabufunye. Bwe mwasuula lwe mwabusuula sinze nasaba. Owulidde ekintu ekyo? Kiŋŋambire nemba nti obanero bwe baabasinze obubiri. Olunaku lwe mwabusuula saamanya na kumanya nti waliyo omupiira. Olunaku lwe nasabye mwafunye obubonero bwa mwobu busatu omupiira mwagugobye. Tutegeregana. Kati bwe mbanga mulina ekyokusabira mukireete mangu. Haleluya. Mujja kutwala omwaka ogujja si enkomerero. Amiina onazeemu amaanyi. Amiina. Abaaseno bagabi banjawulo okubali be mutegedde. Nfunyeyo akasente wano lwakuwagira Aseno mu ssaala. Kale kubira Mukama engalo ez'amaanyi. Tuddemu tuyiseeyiseemu amaaso kano tumalirize. Namba emu. Weebazenga Katonda ng'okyali mulamu. Olunaku lwolowooza nti lwakusaze abalala baalufiiriddemu. Wiiki gy'olowooza nti yakusaze abalala mwe bagendedde mu ttaka. Kati weebaze Mukama nti okyali mulamu. Be grateful to God. Show some gratitude to God. Number 2, beera n'omutima omulungi. Leka kubeera nga bano ababadde batana ekikopo kye batwala nga bawagira ttiimu ebakuba bulijjo. Waakiri oli akifiirwe. Wejjeemu omutima gwa waakiri oli akifiirwe.
Join us for the World Food and Culture Festival, a feast for your senses. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of global cultures. It's not just about tasting, it's about experiencing. Join interactive activities and create memories that last a lifetime. Tickets available now. Don't miss out on this culinary and cultural extravaganza. The World Food and Culture Festival is the place to be. See you there.
Kasenyiga kannuma naye tekagenda kunganya nsonga zino kumpitako ezitankwatako. Nganze Director wa Namuyimbwa Women Development Initiative erirwanirira eddembe ly'abakyala n'abaana ab'obuwala ate n'abasiyazi and LGBT activists in Uganda. So bino tebimpitako. Ndi ku side ya Mugume. Bale bano basajja baffe nabo baguma. Sasha banga China agende UK n'awala by'omuzungu n'agende Sweden n'afuna omuzungu n'adetinga omuzungu ayina ekizungu ky'ekikadde ekimuteekamu ssente. Kano kasajja katukakera ku broadcasting amawulire ne kaweereza amawulire kali ku salale kataata. Ate bagamba nti kataata ako Kamugume tekali na straight nti bakavuga olupanka bino bitaalaba media naye whatever case it is. Ndi ku side ya Mugume abadde mugumiikiriza nnyo yonna gye muvudde Sasha weebali kumulabirira weebali kumufa kuba naye bana basajja baffe baguma. Oyinza n'okwekanga ng'omwana ye mumutwala ku DNA bambi kasajja kattu omwana ayinza okubasiwaako. baguma, so if it has ended, let it end. Agenda afune ku bakazi bano abaana abakulira mu kisaaka ati naye ffe tuli misegula. Bannange atannazaala ku mwana mulenzi kino tosobola kitegeera.
With Only One Man, playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and best music. 23 minutes on to 10 o'clock. Good morning. How are you doing? It's a Monday morning, bright and early. How is that going out for you? And I know this morning it's a back to school season. And I know there are parents who are taking the kids back to school, but the school fees hasn't yet been worked out. I was telling our listeners, Kuku, that my dad, owned a bakery, and he would work out an arrangement with a school where my school fees was paid with bread.
In bread.
Supply of bread.
So you're the people who know what bread means.
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah. So zenasoma kumigati.
Oh,
yeah.
you are a bready person.
I'm breadwinner.
Breadwinner.
How are you doing, Kuku?
I'm not bad. How are you, Pfizer?
Good.
It's nice seeing you again. We have to look great. Manchester won the FA Cup, so clearly, Najambala. I said I'm going to wear it on the day of the match.
I saw you
popping
barrels.
Yes.
Celebrating.
Thank you. That's, of course, people told me, Kasuku, we are tired of those stories. My friend, if you have not been to Old Trafford,
relax.
Be like an envelope. Lie low. Yes. Because I was at Old Trafford, I bought an original Man United jersey for myself, for my son, for my children, for my wife.
The entire family.
The entire family.
Sorted out.
Thank you very much. Original.
But Kuku, how sure are you that the entire family supports Manchester?
No, it is a set rule. You don't support Manchester, it is up to you.
It's the law of the
land. You will not get the benefits that come with supporting Manchester. So some of the benefits could be, if we are paying fees, we could say let us begin with those who support what the family supports.
What?
Yes, and those what do they call it? This child who went away from the father. The prodigal son. So the prodigal children, we shall reach you later. What you taking? So that's like what's up.
So they know.
Otherwise, Brian, please don't come tomorrow. Wait for next Monday, because if I hear you tomorrow, I'll come. We have forgotten. Brian, we have not forgotten.
I told him that we have all that information will be replayed on that day.
Thank you. The day he appears.
Yeah.
Now, for starters, congratulations, Norbert Mao, our Minister of Justice. He was introduced to the parents or the family of his wife.
Yeah.
In waiting.
Congratulations.
She's called Kayanjahu. I forget her other name.
She's
Beatrice.
Called Beatrice.
Beatrice, yeah. And Mao did what any other person that went to school does. The poetry, the literature, things were flowing. But guys, it's important to have money. I know people have said so many things that Mao betrayed the struggle, what? But at the end of the day, Muzungu says it is what it is.
But also, Kuku, one of the most interesting things about Mao and his Kwanjula was the fact that, like when you get older in life, guys were like, yafuna cho mkazi miaka je. When you get older in life, it's harder to find a partner.
Yeah.
In fact, it's harder to find someone who's serious, like who's going to start, because at that point people are already married,
But these days, people are actually hooking up when they are even older, because then the thing you have to have is money, especially when you're older. Yeah, I think money has to be a constant in all we do. But the thing is, as we get older, when you just want to settle, you're not about having kids. It's about just enjoying.
Yeah.
You wake up, people at that time, they don't even met like so much. Yes, they be about how are you, how was your day. They begin those stories of long ago. Now, like with Mao, they're going to be taking trips.
Traveling the world together.
You travel the world together, you go, those different places, and you enjoy yourself.
What a beautiful way to retire.
Exactly. So, but these days, abantu abakulu atebekwana nnyo. Either your partner is dead, you've divorced. You want to end your life well.
With someone.
Yeah, we hustle so much. There's an age where you need to, to just be there. You enjoy yourself. They don't even have these things. Baby, the maids have to be around.
Hey.
Yes. When you get older, this business of my wife is supposed to bring Luwombo, let her just be there to enjoy, So the wedding is this Saturday, 1st June.
Oh.
There is the wedding this Saturday. And no, but now I'm a guy of DP. You know me, I know you, but you've not invited me anywhere.
Oh, really?
Yes, he should invite me.
Ombaga?
Yes, Kasuku Live should cover the wedding.
And the weekend?
He's our President General of our DP.
Hey.
Yes, this Saturday in Baga Radio.
Invitation,
yeah, put Kasuku and Pfizer.
Daily Monitor.
Yes.
Namuongo.
At KFM, you drop it here, you put Kasuku and Pfizer, we come.
We shall definitely come.
Yes, so, but congratulations, I'm happy for him. He looks good. And he's happy. He seems to be in love.
But that's the thing, like he looks so in love. He looks so happy.
Yeah.
When I read his posts, he's posting about his lady. I love Kanyu.
Yeah, and then people say, Ma, wali mukuru ebyo byabana bato. Kati gwato omuto, you're not posting those things. Yeah, bear. My bear. Bear said. Life is good.
What's wrong? Okay, sorry. Beatrice? All our life has been a proposal. And all your actions has been a big yes. And that's why I've brought my family here. I love you. I asked God to give me the son, and he gave me you. You are the son in my life. Within a week, we shall be in the church. On the 1st of June, where we shall be wedded in the Holy Roman Catholic Church to honor our faith. But I don't trust the people around here. I've seen enough young men here. I want them to know that you are taken. So I want to leave you with this token of my love. Beatrice, I love you.
Anyway, now, of course, Levixon and Desire Rosinda met in Canada over the week. There was a show there.
Does Desire stay in the States or in Canada?
She stays in the States. But if you have papers for the States, in Canada, US, but in the East African community, you can just go in and out. But when you're popular, if you don't have the books, you're doomed.
Oh.
Yeah. So they met, but people told me things were no longer at ease. That the way Desire tight marks the guy. She came and everything changed. Remember, the Vixen had gone a bit earlier.
Yeah.
When she came, everything changed. Where are you going? What are you doing? Vixen now
Why?
Where am I going? Where are you coming from? I'm going to meet my friends. Hey, then the guy left her in the hotel. She called, please, me, I want to sleep. I said, did I go with your bed? You sleep.
and I've come to see you. Doesn't matter whether you're there for your concert or whatever. I've crossed the border.
She had also come for a show. They had booked her on that show.
Yeah, but
because she's on the poster.
But me primarily, I want to see you. Of course, I want to spend all the time with you.
Full figure said, let people be.
First of all, we stay in different countries.
Let that one invite him. It's like these guys we meet when we go abroad. All these guys who say, Kasukunze wotonyera wane yusigadebe imbekere. Then you tell them, now, why don't you sponsor the trip? Why do you want me to first land there? How am I going to get there? For you to do everything for me.
Yeah.
They say, Pfizer, the moment you land here, everything else is on me. First process how Pfizer lands there.
Because these guys stay in different countries, so when they show up or when she sees him, and she's like, and us women, Coco, our love language is physical touch.
And for him, I think he had come for work. He didn't really.
Yeah, but
I think he had to do interviews. He had to catch up with his homies. His homies, one of these people called me, told me, do you want to live Vixon?
Gentlemen, I'm here to tell you this. That women, their love language is quality time. But tewali mukazi tali yo, by the way, who doesn't enjoy quality? That is our number one love
quality
language.
Time. Love language.
Kuku, if I travel, nobody will show you but specifically, I've even accepted the gig because I want to see you. And then you show up and then you tell me you're going to hang out with the boys.
That is why we don't move with women. People ask us, you're in a bar, watch together. That is the reason. Because we are going to be or you get a business, you think people are having a good time. They're talking business, Pfizer. For yes. We don't, that's why we leave women at home. We go to the bar to talk business. So that we, so but she said, you're supposed to be, I said, I'll be there in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.
Wow.
Yes. I'll be there in Jesus' name. That's what he says.
Me, I'm here to tell you, seriously, because I don't do long distance relationships.
Oh, you don't? You're like me.
Airport. Relationship we koma.
Awebere komye.
Twachitadde. Keno yagala abantu abalamba eyo gwanga whichever country you've gone to are also the people.
Go find love there.
Because so if whenever I'm I travel to see you, just know I want to spend every second with you.
Ne mwana yakoze ka studio ka design ka range.
Okalaba, and this is just a production studio.
Yeah.
So they're working on the other studio. Anytime now to launching.
Where we are going back. We are going back to the other side.
We're going to move back to the other studio when it's ready. So anytime
but
now to
this our MD is serious.
Yeah.
The changes she has come with, everything is changing.
And at a very fast rate.
Yeah, walls are getting new paintings, everything. Why are you not delivering more this?
Studio,
there's someone I know. Twalinga wano naye nga yeekwasa kino yeekwasa kiri. Bagenda mubuuza ebintu. Now, by the way, before we go back for Canary Mugume's story, because I have the story.
You have the story?
Yes. So, before we go back for that story, but about security, I just wanted to say this. The things we are seeing from your video cameras, from your cameras, I think, yeah, it is scary.
You know, Kuku, I call nowadays when I go back, because yesterday I was working.
You were not working, you were at a branch. I saw you at this place here, Wano. Yeah, but it
was also work.
Work, the way you had made up when was that a filter or that was you?
That was
okay.
So nowadays when I go back home, like all that's kind of getting
you shifted?
No.
You're
not yet. I'm yet to find a house.
Where do you want the house?
Mutungo. Mutungo mbuya.
Kowa moko. Jangu kene bukoto. Chanja. That's what you think.
You think about me driving from there paka wanoksa kuminemu.
Yeah, but today I left home at 6. I had to do an interview before doing this interview. I got here at 7. So I got here at like 7. Yeah, it was like 7:15.
Now, can you imagine spending an hour on the road?
Definitely, but don't you do the same?
No, I spend less than 20 minutes to get here.
Oh, there's not so much traffic there.
No, but also the time I move is very early.
Okay, but guys, security. We need to work on the security. It's so bad. I know for what they've tried to do for us. Tulaga, but okwata omuntu nga someone has lost life really doesn't make sense. Oba omuntu nga afunye permanent, you know. Thank you. You can never. I think and for government to curb such things, job creation has to increase because people are losing jobs. Nagamba wana abantu. Olaba, I don't know, Pfizer, if you use this route when you're going from here. Wano kuyadi. Bakwata buli mande kuyadi yao. Bakwata pichi. Chitini ngoyitawo zibera pichi nga 15. Chitini atenga wabera breakdown ze bakwata zigenda. Abakwata ba police abali mu brown, abali mu bibombola ne plain cloth. Era at one time nali zijeno waboda nanga sujja gendayo abasajja bakwata. Yes. Asajja boda ati abamu ku Monday because ebikwekweto biberayo either Monday or Friday. Tebakyagalira ddala kujja mu kibuga. Olioko mujja nti mujja kisaasa jeno tayagala. Kati the problem is, and I'm not saying entirely that it's the cause, but some of the causes behavior. Like Pfizer, after you take my border, it's like me right now. You render me unemployed, and I don't have a plan B. Pfizer, I can't see you with 1 million. Next time can take a wombera.
Yeah.
Cut for us, we are still honest. There are guys who don't have that time. One way we feel if you want to know how tough things are, me or Rusbetumana talk and talk show. Bagai bangabo, ntambi, roni bani, bagana never told a molecule. So most times I there is some guy got one in money. I'm going, maybe let me say I'm going to Bonga or I'm going, but most times I'm heading back to Bokoto that side. So that I can walk from media center wano muchibuga ku UBC nenzija nga tuyitamu awo betutyo kati ndojja doyambuka kololo kati boyita awo ku molecule sigala ngoyambuka jotambula ogwendo ku Russian embassy. You know that place is quiet.
Yeah.
A guy can follow you, maybe ngali kubibye naye ngomutima tegulimu. Ngomutima tegulimu. Kati wano twatambula okuva na back Sheraton nenzija benti straight paka wano wansi ku Shoprite yawo ku game. Kati okuweta okudda waliwo ganga ezibeerawo. Okuva ku game awo paka nga ku bitaala ebidda wano ku Lugogo wansi.
I think there were gangs or
yes.
thugs.
Ate no bakuba misana oli esimu aginyakula misana. Ndozo kiraba. Broad day. Yes.
The guy was hospitalized for a week.
For us, guy yatugobererako twali abantu bana. Kuliko abawala basatu nze mulenze yaliko. We are walking. Guy be yajje nnyo ne muga boss. Ontegedde nanga kasuko kutegedde ne muga tuleke. Naga wabula watutegeera.
It's the one and only Dua Lipa with Don't Start Now playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. It's still Monday and we're joined by Cuckoo to unpack the weekend, everything that happened in Celebville, including some shocking rumors that made their way onto the socials.
So the shocking rumors are about Canary. There has been a rumor going around that Canary, for some time, Ngabagamanti Canary is no longer at ease with the wife. Yesterday I spoke to some people, mkwano gwa mchala, mkwano gwa mwami, and the confirmation was they have not broken up, but I think they are taking a break.
Just some time apart.
Yeah, because Madame left.
But the you people who I see on social media, you people who peddle these sorts of rumors,
you see, Pfizer, that is what they call being a Ugandan. We don't want to see. Pfizer, today, if you tell us you've broken up with council, you can know our real feelings towards that relationship.
quality time chigana, but continue.
Kati you will know people's feelings. That's like cancel yali akwewagisa. Hey, let me tell you, here where we are working.
Yeah.
You know, I think last year, but when I had a Benz.
Oh yeah.
So I was driving. I dropped the Benz for like a year or so. Then I sold it off.
Never mind selling it off.
Then I went to Kawondo. One of our workmates told me, "Hey, nefe kasuko twakolabirawo. Ngatojja malako. Wali wepankira mu Benz face to face.
Na bulijjo balinda down.
Face to face. Yes, face to face." And then that's when I began hearing the rumors. People bogera na ngaba saga. Kasuko Benz yakulemye. That's when you get to know. That's what they call being a Ugandan. That's a sinyiga. Chenagamba MC Olo. You are saying, me, I've helped you guys, my Ugandan kids. MC Olo, he was threatening suicide. I told him, MC Olo, you're going to die with type rest in peace. We can't drink beer. That is a Ugandan. So Ugandans don't want anything. However, for me, what pains me with this relationship, well, they were a model relationship, like you can do with your guy from scratch, because they've been together for some time now.
They have.
And of course, some of the reasons the lady raises are what you've been talking about, quality time.
But he's a busy man.
That I think, okay, you know the thing is, my judge told me.
Journalism is demanding.
My judge told me, when you're dating a woman, or when you're in love with a woman, what you begin with should stay constant.
Like
if you begin and you're available, you should be available under all circumstances. If when you wake up you give your madam a peck, the peck should be constant, because now that is the real you.
She's used to that.
Now they said the man quality time akuna. Then they also said he's drinking a lot. Now even the man muzeyalinga wa kumuchala sibate sichajja.
But money is seasonal.
Yeah, and money is they told me what is up there. Money is no longer coming on time. People are now going 50k. The 50k this side has arrived up there. It has arrived. Now if my guy Katz was earning a lot, they are going to checking up account. Per day. By half. Bro. But we talked about these things. By half. Yeah, if you don't want, you show us the back. That's the back. Katiakera is how mwenda back next media. Ngatus. I need 5 o'clock to begin the show.
2 hours before.
If you don't arrive. So the woman is not happy. However, also the other side, I choose as the woman of giving Ready Paper the stories. Yes, they publish online. Mbomchara is the one who began the rumor, the information. So the woman is frustrated. From what I heard, the woman is frustrated. She's not happy. From close friends.
But that sounds like a
yes, from close friends in close friends of the woman.
Why wouldn't she talk to family members about getting?
Yeah, but they told me now thing is handling. Pastor Kayanja, he has moved into the matter. Mbo, he has moved into the matter. He's trying to see how they can work out things to see that, things can be going on smoothly and well. But things are no longer at ease. However, what I want to warn the public about, guys, as we joke about so many things, let's not joke about the children.
Yes.
That rumor that over the child is not his and what, you don't know how painful that can be. Guys, that relationship, if the information I'm getting is right, it could fail to mend. Do you know what it means asking a woman to do a DNA? And people are very happy about it. They are accusing Oriagama Musmaya. M9 is the father of the child. Atoinaga Smaya, the boss is the father of the child. The guy had to come on the internet to claim, I have no rift with Canary. His boss. Did you see his post?
I saw him. Please sign us out, Coco. What would they?
We are in the middle, in the heat of the moment. You're telling me to say, Nayanga Banaye, and Songaza Canary, Zezo. For me, of course, people are saying, he's not the first.
Ate by the mulekera go mweze go kola chi omuntu. Someone goes and posts about their work.
Yes.
Like maybe mawulire bichi. Then you go noja mu comments and you start commenting about their personal issues. Oshega ebe nyini bebadoga mbebyo mwana bichi. Guys, let's respect. Let's have some boundaries.
Yeah, we need to have boundaries. But also, Sasha, if you're the one giving out that information, seize. Seize, say jirinya. Na jirinya. Na jirinya, seize. Yeah, you're not jirinya. Seize.
Bagambe okubuuze. Lwaki wadose kanyongo mukyala akugamba linnya lye baamuwa?
Mukyala Namaunyo. Man, that video is years ago. It was actually last year, but I actually it resurfaced again. That day I was tired. Have you ever done something like, let me just do it and get done with it? Now I laughed. Namaunyo. Then he said, "Matene karika namaunyo akato." So guys, that's us. That's Kathy. There, Kathy, just say hi. Hi. So we got to go. We gotta leave this place. Embozi ya Canary ngenda jibongera, but they've told me things are being worked on, and we hope things bear fruits. Echintu bachikole chiguke, but dingane kuba yes abana Uganda twagala ebiyise naye sinyo. So we gotta say bye, and until next time, everybody out there, make money and you enjoy yourself. Have a good day. Bye.